we are now going to solve for cosine of 75 degrees. Again, we are going to split it up like we did for sine into 2 degrees. So it shall be cosine 45 plus 30. We are still going to be using addition, so we'll be using the cosine s plus t equation. Cosine of s, which will be 45, multiplied by cosine of t, which is 30.
Go back, Josh.
We will not be using the addition sign based on our equation. We'll be using subtraction. Sine of s times cosine of t. We will now go through and change this into the fraction form. So, cosine of 45, like we did on our sine equation, will be the same. Square root of 2 over 2. Cosine of 30 will be square root of 3 over 2. This makes sense based on our equation because 30 is the exact opposite of 60 on the unit circle. And looking at the unit circle, here's our 30 degrees, here's our 60 degrees, and 45 right between. We will keep our subtraction sign from before. Sine of 45 will be square root of 2 over 2. Oops. It should be sine of 30, which will be 1/2. Now, since common denominator and there's some multiplying, we can go straight across. Square root of 6 over 4 minus square root of 2 over 4. Now, we'll have this based on here, and 4 underneath. Subtraction sign is kept. And then this is our final answer. We will now be moving to tangent of 75. This equation is a little longer due to us having to solve for the tangent of our degrees. Tangent of 45 plus 30. We'll be using our tangent addition equation. Tangent of s, which is 45, plus tangent of t, which is 30, all over 1 minus, because we will need to be keeping the opposite of this sign, tangent of s times tangent of 30. To solve for tangent, we need to use y over x. So, we already have, or y is being our sine and x is our cosine. So, 45 is easy. It's square root of 2 over 2. Square root of 2 over 2. So, tangent of 45 degrees is equal to 1, because these cancel out. And it's square root of 2 over 2 is equal to 1. So tangent of 45 will be 1. Tangent of 30 degrees is equal to y over x is equal to 1/2 over square root of 3 over 2. The 2's will cancel out, equaling 1 over the square root of 3. However, this can be simplified. We'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by square root of 3, making it square root of 3 over 3. This making square root of 9 and simplifying to 3. Our tangent of 30, our tangent of 45. We can plug both of these now into our original equation. Tangent of 45 being 1 plus tangent of 30 being square root of 3 over 3. All over 1 minus tangent of 45 again, 1 times square root of 3 over 3. We now simplify. We both have 1 on both sides. These can cancel out. Square root of 3 over 3 over negative square root of 3 over 3. This is just negative 1 as our tangent.